Hello again from Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. I haven't posted a video for ages and ages and ages. I've been so busy. Lots of online students, quite a few face-to-face teaching here at home. So I thought today I'd give you a quick look at my average kind of day, the things I've been doing. Recently, I've been decorating the apartment. I've been doing some electrical work in the apartment.
Mind your fingers.
Uncle Geoff is a jack of all trades. And I thought today I'd just grab a quick cup of tea in the sunshine before I do a quick online lesson with a student in China. So, a quick cup of tea, and let me just give you a quick look at what's happening on my balcony. Well, they are going to be aubergines, or as they say in America, eggplants. So these are the early aubergines. Here, some yellow courgettes. And let me just show you a few more things that we're growing this year. The cucumbers are starting to grow. We've also got some tomatoes here. They're coming along quite nicely. And we thought we'd have a go at growing some black tomatoes. And here is the very first one. Everybody has red tomatoes, so we thought we'd have something a little different. So black tomatoes, yellow courgettes. We have a little fig tree here in the corner, and it's not only vegetables and fruit, we also like to grow flowers. So let me show you quickly our fuchsia. We do like a bit of colour, and we do love fuchsias. So that's our mini garden here in the Portuguese sunshine. So I'm going to finish off my cup of tea and then head inside and do a lesson with a student in China. But generally, equipment is uncountable. We don't say modern equipments. There could be different places to get water. Would it come from another river? Would it come from the rain? Would it come from another lake nearby, from irrigation or something? How would you get it? So it's other sources of fresh water. Canals. Canals. Stress on the second syllable. Enjoy your homework, not too much this time. See you in a couple of days. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. That's the lessons done for today. Next job. Let's go. Okay, another job done. Chinese curry sauce, satay sauce. Delicious. And now, some British goodies. Next stop, home. Well, it's been a busy morning. Couple of students online. We've done all the shopping and arrived back home. But I've just checked my emails and I've had an email from a local radio station that want me to record a radio commercial urgently. So that's my next job. My cup of tea and English tea cake will have to wait till later. Off to the studio. Well, it's been a very, very long day. Students in the morning, some shopping, I had to record a radio commercial, but now a chance to sit down, relax with a English tea cake. Can you see? A toasted English tea cake. Butter and raspberry jam, and of course, a lovely cup of tea. Time to relax, bit of peace and quiet before they continue cutting the grass again outside, and relax in the sunshine. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now. That is so good.